I am Dr. Rajendra Chapke, working here as a principal scientist since 2008, and I am specially dealing with the research in a agriculture extension discipline, and we are mainly focusing on how best technology can be transferred to the farmer's field, which is generated from this institute, so that it can be adopted by the farmers for their raising livelihood and their socio-economic upliftment. So for this, we are evaluating our technology, whatever generated from this institute in the farmers field in all the regions of the country through frontline demonstration program, which is being continued since last 2 decades. And simultaneously we are collecting feedback from them so that we can improve further. Second aspect what we are looking is that since area under millets is declining drastically, so it is cause for search of a new area, and it is challenge for the scientists. So we have find out a new area, that is sorghum cultivation in rice fallow in Guntur districts, and we have evaluated our technology in that area, and we have got very encouraging results, which is sorghum productivity has gone up to 10 tons, which is very 10 times higher than the national productivity. And third one is that for when we are doing all this technology dissemination and extension work, so we need to see what is the effect in the farmers field. So in that view, we have conducted a research study on impact assessment, in which we have got very encouraging results from farmers' point of view, so that we can continue, so that we can improve further. And we know that millets are being dominated in hilly and tribal area where common facilities are not reached easily. So keeping view in that mind, we are developing extension strategy to promote this millets technology in that area, to raise the livelihood of this tribal people in that difficult area. And fourth aspect what we are taking care is that as you know that millet cultivation is also integral part of the agriculture system, and especially in dryland area. So millets are very important in integral part of the livelihood of the farmers. So we are evaluating millets and allied farming system also, so that we can find out what is the role of these millets and allied technology in livelihood of the dryland farmers. And whatever we are getting very encouraging result in that through this Farmers First project, and whatever promising results we will get, we will try to replicate in the other similar type of area. And in addition to that, we are looking after some extension activity to disseminate the technology to various stakeholders, not only farmers but also some officials, students, academicians, through live demonstration which are being planted in 2 seasons everywhere. And we are organizing various visits for the various visitors throughout the country. So these are the work is being done in this extension unit.